Assalamu alaikum. Moving towards the third topic, that is programming basics. What is programming basics? C is a popular programming language for creating the computer programs. A large variety of application programs and many modern operating systems are written in C. Like they are written in the form of letters, numbers. Like if they are talking about the letters, then C language comprises of letters to form the standard program. A to Z capital letters, that is a uppercase form. Small a to Z small letters, that is a lowercase form. In C language, small and capital letters are distinct. If you are using capital letters and small letters, it will give different meanings. Digit C language consists of sequence of numbers to associate the letters, and there are 0 to 9 digits, and then rest of the numbers are the combination from 0 to 9 digits. Then what are special characters? Special characters are present on the keyboard. There are some symbols that are in front of you, like you can see in the first column, the first symbol is tilde. That is actually used to tell the range of the things, like if it is existing from negative numbers to the positive numbers, like -1 to 5 suppose. So we will use that tilde sign to show the range of the numbers. Then is exclamation mark, then number sign, dollar sign, percentage, caret is there, then ampersand, this and that ampersand is also known as and. Then steric, that is used for multiplication as well. Then last parenthesis, more parenthesis, minus sign, plus sign, backslash, underscore, equal sign, left brace, left bracket, right bracket, colon, quotation mark, semicolon, opening angle bracket, that is known as the less than sign, closing angle bracket, that is known as greater than sign, then comma, period, and vertical bar. These are some of the special characters that are used in the C program, that is also present on your keyboard. Then a very important topic, that is reserved words, that are also known as keywords. The words that are a part of a programming language and have special purpose in the computer program are called reserved words or keywords. These reserved words are the part of program, and these are the built-in functions. They are already declared in the program. There is no need to declare it from the side of user. These reserved words are already present in the C program. They are predefined use and cannot be used for any other purpose. Predefined means that are built-in functions and that are defined in the C program. Reserved words are always written in lowercase. You have to write the reserved words or keywords in the small ABC, lowercase. There are 32 reserved words defined in C language. Total 32 words are defined. A table is also given in front of you that reserved words are like auto, break, case. CHR stands for character, CONST stands for constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if. INT stands for integer, long, register, return, short, signed, size of static, struct, switch, typed of, union, unsigned, void means empty, volatile, and while. These are 32 reserved words that are predefined in the C program, that are built-in functions, and that is also known as keyword, and they are written in lowercase. Then is what is structure of C language? What is the structure of C language? Actually, the structure of C language is the format according to which a program is written is called the structure of the program. The format we are using to write a program, that is actually the structure of C program. So first of all, the first thing that comes in the structure of C program is preprocessor directives. Second is global declarations. Third is main function. Then curly brackets. In curly brackets, there are local declarations, statements, and this is the body of the main function. And then user defined functions, function 1, function 2, function 3, and that is optional. It's up to the programmer that whether he is using or not. What is preprocessor directive? Preprocessor directives are actually the header files. What is global declaration? Global declarations means the values that are constants. We have to declare it before the main function. Local declarations means the variables that can be changed, or the value of variables can be varied. Statements means after writing the variables we have to write the set of statements, and we will discuss it in the next slides. Now this is the format of C program. In front there is a code that is written, that is hash include stdio.h main, then curly bracket is there, then int a, int stands for integer, printf, and you have to write the printf statement in double quotes. That printf and scanf is the statement. Int a, int and a is the local declaration. First of all, let me tell you that in hash include stdio.h is preprocessor directive. Then after preprocessor directive main, and then bracket is, that is a main function. Then int, int and a is a local variable, and printf scanf is the statements. And here you can see there is written compile and run. F11 is written. You can use a short form shortcut key. You can press F11, it will execute the file. And now in the end you can see the compilation results. Errors are 0, warning is 0, output file name, output size, and compilation time. Time is allocated. Executable file will be displayed on the screen, but just for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, not more than that. Then errors are 0, there is no error, so it will execute and it will give the results directly. So this is a box where it will show whether in the program there is an error or not, is there any warning or not, or is there any rule that you are not following. So what are syntax here? Syntax is like the way of writing the program. Here you can see all the words that are written in the program are in the lowercase letters, first thing. Then afterwards you can see that in local declarations and statements, each and every statement is ending with the semicolon, that is a terminator. If you will not use that semicolon, or if you will not use that curly brackets, or if any of the part is missing while writing the program, then that is a syntax error, and it will give you the error, and it will tell you that in which line the error is existing, and you have to find the error and then you will remove that error. Then is preprocessor directives. What is preprocessor directives? Preprocessor directives are the instructions of C compiler. Every C program contains preprocessor directives at the beginning of the program. That preprocessor directive is the very first step of the program. We have to write the preprocessor directive on the top, on the first line. These directives start with the hash sign. The second property is that whenever you are going to write a preprocessor directive, you have to write it with hash sign. In the start, first of all, you will replace hash sign, then you will start writing the next header files. The most commonly used directives are include and define. The directives that are used in your book are define and include. Then include preprocessor directive. What is include preprocessor directive and what is the syntax of include preprocessor directive is hash include, then there is a sign of less than, then stdio.h, then greater than. Preprocessor directive is starting with which symbol? That is hash symbol. When this preprocessor directive is carried out by the C compiler, it will search for the header file that is written within the less than and greater than sign. The header file is stdio.h and it will be written in between the less than and greater than sign. stdio.h stands for standard input output functions. STD stands for standard, I stands for input, and O stands for output functions, and .h is the extension of header file. In the above header file stdio.h is used. It tells the C compiler to copy standard input output functions header file in the program. Whatever the input and output functions are present in the C program, it will copy that in the header file. Then is stdio.h header file stands for standard input and output functions. And what are input and output functions? Input and output functions are printf and scanf. Printf and scanf both are written in the lowercase letter. Keep this thing in your mind that whenever you are going to write a program, it will be written in the lowercase letters. Printf and scanf functions. Then .h is the extension for header file, that is also known as preprocessor directive, and we can also call as header file extension. Then what is define preprocessor directive? Define preprocessor directive is used to define the constants like symbolic constants. Syntax is hash define. First of all, you will write the symbol. Symbol is in uppercase letter. Then value. Value means any digit or any number you are assigning. Or expression. Expression means any formula you are assigning. It directs the compiler to replace all the occurrences of one or more variables in the program with the specified constant. Whatever the value or expression you will use, it will replace the whole program wherever that symbol is used in that specified value. Suppose if I am using pi is equal to 3.1416. Wherever in the program pi is written, it will replace the value of pi with 3.1416. The purpose of using define directive is to give a meaningful name to the constants values that is to be used in the program. Coming towards the example of define preprocessor directive, syntax is in front of you, hash define symbol, value or expression. Then hash define height 12. Now symbol is height and value is 12. Wherever in the program height is used, it will replace the value of height with 12. Second is hash define cube. Cube, we are giving the variable a. It's up to you. You want to give a variable a, b, c, d, e, f. It's up to you. And the cube formula is a steric a. Then wherever the cube is used, it will be replaced as a steric a. Same is the case if you are taking a formula of a square, then that will be length multiplied by length. Then if you are taking the formula of rectangle, then you will write hash define rectangle length multiplied by breadth. If you are using the formula of perimeter of rectangle, then hash define perimeter of rectangle, then 2 into length plus breadth. So these are the examples of define preprocessor directives that are used as the constants, and these constants are replaced according to the specific values written in the programs of the